Hello students, today I will teach you our second poem from our book Hornbill. The name of the poem is The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. Before going to start the poem, I want to tell you something about the poet of the poem, Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman, who was born 1819 in United States, America, was an American poet, essayist and journalist. He is among the most influential poets in the American canon, often called the father of free verse. His work was controversial in its time, particularly his poetry collection Leaves of Grass, which was described as obscene for its over sensuality. Whitman's own life came under scrutiny for his presumed homosexuality. He was awarded with Golden Kite Award for picture book illustration. He was died in 1892. Now, the detailed summary of the poem, because before going to commence our regular classes, I want to give you some ideas how to learn and prepare basic questions regarding the poem. In the poem, the poet asks the soft falling shower, "Who are you?" To which she, a strange thing, she replies that she is the poem of earth. Here the word she stands for rain. It is a strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet. The rain told the poet that she can't be touched as she rises in the form of water, vapor, and the sky from the land and the bottomless sea. It changes its shape, yet it remains the same. The vapor changes into clouds due to condensation. It falls back on the surface of the earth to provide water to the drought prone areas and to beautify and purify the earth. It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. The rain doesn't care if anybody bothers about her deeds, work or not. She completes her work and comes back home. The poet also compares the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer travel across to fulfill the aim and comes back with due love for the singer, like where from it originates or from its originator. Now, the important word meaning of the poem. The first one is when you will read the poem in the book, you will come across these words. The first word is who art thou? Means who are you? External, never ending, impalpable, which can't be described, whence, where, vacuously, not clear, descend, come down, leave, vast or bare, atomize, small particles, latent, hidden or buried. Now, some different literary devices which has been used by the poet in this poem. The first one is personification. The poet used a non-living thing as a living thing in the poem. For example, I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Metaphor, an indirect comparison between the qualities of different things. Now, for example, I am the poem of earth. Here, rain is being compared to a poem. The next one is hyperbole. Exaggerated statements. For example, bottomless sea. Imagery. Visual description of something like soft falling shower. Now, some important questions and answers of the poem The Voice of the Rain. Here, the first question is, there are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to? Which lines indicates this? The two voices in the poem are the voice of the rain and the voice of the poet. The lines which indicate the voice of the rain are, I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain, and the lines which indicate the voice of the poet are, and who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower. Question number 2. What does the phrase strange to tell mean? The phrase strange to tell means that it was strange for the soft falling rain to reply to the poet's question. When the poet asked the rain, who art thou? The rain replied, I am the poem of earth. Now, two more questions to practice at home. Question 1. Why are the last two lines put within the brackets? And the second one is, how is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem? Compare it with what you have learned in science. Thank you and have a nice day.